Hi everyone, it's Rochelle, and I am going to make a science drawing today. And before I do, I need to put on my scientist uniform. Be right back. Can you guess what kind of scientist I'm going to be? Okay, here I come. What do I look like? I am going to be an insect scientist, and there's a fancy name for that, and it's called an entomologist. Can you say that word? Entomologist. How many claps was that? Okay, I am going to put my goggles right here so I can draw my picture. Are you ready? Okay. Can you guess what I'm going to draw? It's something green that you find in the garden. There's its head. What do you think it is? I'm going to make some legs. This creature is a hornworm caterpillar. And guess what? Caterpillars are insects, and they have 6 legs, but they also have another set of legs. They have a whole bunch of legs. So I'm going to make some more legs back here. And then they have one giant foot in the back. So before I draw all the details, I'm going to put some words right at the top. So I'm going to write the word hornworm, H-O-R-N-W-O-R-M, hornworm. Now I'm going to write the word caterpillar. What letter does that sound? Makes that sound. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Let's clap it. Hornworm, caterpillar. That's what it's going to be. So I want to write some science words on here and label all of the parts. So first thing is a head. Caterpillars have a tiny head right here with one eye, and they have something down here on their head called a mandible. That's like their mouth where they chomp on their food. And they have 6 legs right here. So I'll write the word legs. And they have another set of legs back here. And these are called the prolegs. P-R-O-L-E-G-S. Guess what? These little legs in the front have little tiny claws on them that help them so they can climb in your garden or up a tree. And these legs in the back have sticky stuff on them. So guess what? This caterpillar can hang upside down with no problems because they have sticky stuff on their prolegs, and they have a big giant foot right here. And their foot helps them to move along like this. Can you do that with your hand? It helps to move them forward. Okay, I wrote some notes for myself so I can remember what all the parts are. Now, hornworm caterpillars have a little bit of striping on them. So I'm going to draw some stripes. That's what they look like. And they have some tiny dots right here like this. And those tiny dots are called spiracles. Can you say that cool science word? Spherical. And a spherical, let's see. Oh, it's going to be a long line down here. Spherical. A spherical is what a little opening, and it helps it open and close, and that's how they breathe, through a spherical. So, and they do have some tentacles, and it's because hornworm caterpillars actually can't see very well. So in order to see where they're going, they actually feel with their tentacles. So, oh, do you remember what this was called? What their mouth was called? A mandible. Okay, so here it is, our hornworm caterpillar. We have a head and a mandible. How many legs? 6. They have 6 legs, but they have another set of prolegs down at the back. But guess what? Every caterpillar is different. If they have a really long body, they might have more prolegs. But if they have a smaller body, then they might have only a few prolegs. And then this word, these dots on the side, are spiracles, and a big foot in the back. I'm forgetting one more important thing about a hornworm caterpillar. They have a horn right here in the back. But guess what? Like if this was a unicorn, where would their horn be? On their head, right. But a hornworm caterpillar has their horn on their bottom. So here it is. Here's their horn right here on their bottom. So I'm going to show you briefly the poster. So this is the life cycle of a hornworm. It starts out, step 1, as a tiny, tiny little egg. And then it hatches out into a caterpillar, and that's called a larva. And they grow and grow and grow and get bigger and bigger and eat and eat and eat. And then they make a pupa. Sometimes you might have heard that be called a chrysalis or a cocoon. And then step 4 is they hatch out into a hawk moth, and they are one of the biggest moths in the United States, hawk moth. Okay, there it is. That's what we learned about hornworm caterpillars. Now you could say that you are an entomologist too. Maybe after this video's over, you'll be able to think, and see if you can remember all the parts. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you soon. Bye.